going on, getting this bedroom back together. That's what we're here now. We have our mattress pad down. Love that. With this, you see that? Look at that. That is so awesome, isn't it? I am using the Lysol all over. So every layer I'm spraying Lysol, okay? So like even here, I spray all of the things, right? And then once we are going to bed, I spray a linen spray.
I'm latching on to you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go with you. Want you shackled in my embrace.
The quiltlet, our sleeping, and our sheets. Okay, still gotta get the other pillows. All of the things that I'm not gonna put back on my bed, I do reusable vacuum seal bags. Amazing. Love, love, love these. Madhouse here. It is just things that just needs to be placed. Completely decluttering, spring cleaning, getting rid of the things that just does not serve us anymore.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never, baby.
Scent of the day. This is Bonan Nomad. It's like a nice sweet, but look at the pretty bottle. This is low-key why I got the bottle. Even the box. The box even has crystals on it. So dope. Okay, work in progress. Work in progress. This is what I've gotten accomplished. Yes. Now I'm going to either place my desk in this area and then just like declutter and figure out where to put these little bitty like shoes and all that's on here. Nothing major there. And yeah, just finish getting everything put back in. Excuse me. You know, shindig put together. But yeah. All right, you guys, so this is it. This is what I have thus far. And I'm going to just move my desk that's in this bathroom into here and then finesse some stuff, you know. Finish cleaning it up. I need to wipe down this mirror. I got most of this mirror wiped down, but yeah, it's still a ways to go. But listen, we got this. All right, you guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate you. And send me all of the energy, all the B12s and everything like that so we can finish, y'all.
Because I'm realizing God, myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I.
So here goes my closet / office now. Cloffice, as they call it. Like I said, it's temporary, but I made a little area for my desk. I have a longer desk. It was just taking up too much space, so I opted to use this little acrylic tray. Ooh, I don't remember. Maybe CB2. Maybe I got that from. I'm gonna just work here. I have my file cabinet and my planners. I finally found my camera. So happy for that. And then I just have like little stationary things. Yeah, my clothes to come out as if I was in a boutique. I still need to declutter, but I did get rid of quite a bit, but I can just flip through like this. And now it is a little difficult sometimes, but as long as your hangers twist, it makes it easier to get them up here like that. Okay, I just took some $20 bookcases, maybe 25 at this point, from Walmart. I actually had to take them to like Home Depot and have them cut it down just a little bit to fit up here. So that's what I have. I'm gonna add maybe like another one over here. Yeah, and this one I actually put, it's on wheels. This one down here is on wheels. Love, love, love that. Then I have all like sandals and all the good things in here. Still work in progress for sure. Oh my goodness. I did not realize how many pants and bottoms I have. This is an acrylic. I love that I can do this though. This is like for your towels. Like if you go outside by the pool or blankets, that's what this is for. Okay, I found this at like an antique store, maybe a flea market. I just really liked it because it was acrylic and it was like 20 bucks. Acrylic items, lucite items are so expensive. So I decided to take all of my blankets off of here and put all of my pants. This is ridiculous how many pants are on here, but my pants were hanging here and it was so heavy that it actually pulled out the wall. So I decided to go this route. Okay, like it is layers on layers of pants. Like this, I have multiple of the same pants, like 2 pink pants. These are multiples of this one here. So if I like something, I usually get a few, especially if they fit great. But yeah, this is how I have it. It's pants on 4 different rows, which is crazy, but that's okay. I'm going to declutter at some point, but I can just flip through and be like, hey, and just pull them off. This is what's going to work for right now. But yeah, so, and I like that I can pull it out and, you know, find and go over here and find a shirt and through all of the things. So I love that. Over here, I just put my skirts right here. Don't have a ton of skirts, so I was able to just place them right here. More pants. It's ridiculous. More pants, but this is like winter velvety stuff that I just placed tucked away. More stuff tucked back here. Like, I still need to declutter, but this is a work in progress. But I do like that I can move this. Look at that. So I can just slide it in out the way. Love, love, love. Okay, so I created little zones up here. I just took these apart. It used to be like a little slots for towels and all that when we first moved here. So that's why these are cut that short. I guess you're supposed to use this for a linen closet because our main bathroom do not have a linen closet, which sucks. Denim jackets and vests and all of the things are up here. Even put some behind my door, and it's like blazers and all of the things behind the door. Anyways, I was able to declutter. Still need to figure out some organization for my hats because I have so many more hats. And I just put this mirror here, really cool. I think this is, you know, a wardrobe. All of these things came from Pier 1 when they were in stock. This dresser, Germany, back, storage, and all other things. And then I was in here cleaning up and I finally got my crack in my dresser. Not one, but two. This one is small. You may not be able to see it by the knob. But my phone fell off and hit this, broke, and it I had replaced it, but this broke off and my phone hit it and this hit the drawer and cracked it. This thing has been around the world and back, multiple countries. And then I decided to break it trying to clean up in here. But you know, what can I say? The dresser, I mean, I could finally see the top. Thank you. That thing was so full of stuff. And then, you know, all of my handbags are back here, randomly back here. Yeah. So somebody asked for an updated handbag. I really don't have too many. I may have had, maybe got this YSL since I posted my video a long time ago. I may have gotten that little Chanel walk. I think that's pretty new. Maybe this is new, but other than that, I don't have a ton of new handbags. I think it's just those three. So I think the last one I showed you was probably this one when we were overseas. Is it perfumes? My perfume collection is dwindling down because I've not repurchased any perfumes lately, which is so sad, but hey. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this my little workstation and all of the things. So I hope you enjoy this little video. Oh, down here. I need to declutter these sandals and stuff that's in here, shoes, all of the things that's in there. Yeah. Oh, let me talk about this. Okay, creating zones is so important. Love that I placed it here. It's close to the bathroom when I need to get ready. It's completely stocked with hair things, so I don't have to run around look for it. We already sometimes brush in the morning and all of that, so I'm able to come get like hair things, you know, all of the things. It's usually edge control on here, spray bottles of water, acetone, shampoos, and then I have like little bitty containers of rubber bands. I have, and over here I just put like all of my little headbands and stuff. I just have them just draped over this little rack. So trying to create a place for everything. Once it's in place, it's usually easy to maintain, but starting out for me, creating zones, that's the only way I can just comprehend things and break it down little by little. All of this is long jumpsuits, dresses, things that hang so it can just flow. Not all of them, but they work, long sleeves and all that. So that's it. Create different zones for things and your life will be much easier. Thank you so much for hanging and rocking out with me on this clean, with this organized, declutter, all of the things.
Because